Internet connection issues can be frustrating and disruptive, especially when you're trying to work, game, or stream. These issues occur when your computer struggles to connect to the internet or maintain a stable connection, and they can stem from a variety of causes, like hardware problems, network congestion, or even service outages. Here's how internet connection issues affect your computer. When your internet connection is unreliable, it can have several negative effects, like causing slow performance. Web pages take longer to load, and downloads crawl at a snail's pace. Emails might not send, video calls could freeze, and chats are choppy. Online games experience lag spikes, and streaming media buffers excessively. Tasks like cloud syncing or software updates might fail or slow down. Again, these disruptions are frustrating, so here are steps to resolve the issue to get you back connected. Step 1. Diagnose the problem. Start by checking if other devices can connect to the internet. If they can, the issue might be with your computer. Run a network troubleshooter to identify any configuration problems, or check if your internet service provider is experiencing an outage. Step 2. Restart your equipment. Power cycle your modem and router by unplugging them for 30 seconds, then plugging them back in. Restart your computer as well to reset network settings. Step 3. Strengthen your connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, move closer to the router or remove physical obstructions between your device and the router. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable and faster connection. Step 4. Update software and drivers. Make sure your network drivers are updated, and check that your router's firmware is up to date. These updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Step 5. Reset network settings. On Windows, you can reset network settings through the Network Reset option in the Settings menu. On macOS, go to System Preferences, Network, and reset the configuration. Step 6. Scan for malware. Sometimes malware can interfere with your connection. Use a reliable antivirus program to scan your system and remove any threats. Step 7. Contact your ISP. If none of these steps work, it might be an issue with your service provider. Contact them for further assistance, or request a hardware replacement if necessary. By following these steps, you can quickly identify and resolve most internet connection problems, ensuring a smoother and more reliable online experience.